Torre Abbey is Torre's most historic building, an ancient scheduled monument dating back to 1196, set within 18 acres of garden and parkland. The abbey's story began with the arrival of an abbot and 6 canons at Torre. They had been sent from Welbeck Abbey in Nottinghamshire, following the gift of land from the Lord of the Manor of Torre, William Brewer. Rich, fertile land, proximity to the sea and stone from a nearby headland provided the founding medieval monks with all the resources they needed to establish Torre Abbey. Today, the Abbey is a rare hive of activity where world-class exhibitions are shown side by side with created work from local emerging talents. You can learn about the early years and the Georgian Carey family, who resided in the Abbey for hundreds of years. The fascinating Carey family invited Horatio Nelson for a dinner party. This is recreated in the dining room, with over 600 incredible works of art from the 18th century to the present day. Over 800 of historical galleries explores local history, heritage and stories through interactive displays, talking portraits and videos, which really makes the Abbey a truly unique place to visit. Our award-winning garden is famed for exuberant plantings of herbaceous perennials, roses and delilahs. Rare shrubs and trees flourish in the English Riviera climate. Our palm and cactus houses contain tropical and subtropical plants, including endangered palms from Kew Gardens in London. All year round, the gardens celebrate the achievements of Torre's most famous resident, Agatha Christie, through the potent plants garden. You'll be surprised by the range of sinister but beautiful plants on show. Fans of the writer can also interpret the plants and clues in the 4 outdoor beds and solve the mystery of the missing story tiles. If you are fans of Agatha Christie, like me, if you go towards Brixham, you will find Greenway House, which was her summer residence. It is a gorgeous location, and if you're a member of the National Trust, it's free. Agatha Christie had a beautiful house in Torquay, but Torre Council, the idiots that they are, demolished it like quite a few things they've actually destroyed in their history. They are not what I would call the brightest bunch.